This is a blueberry bush. This is a peach tree. This is a strawberry plant. So they all produce fruit, but they all do it differently. You and I were the same species, but the way that I manifest my gifts, what I bring to the world, is different than yours. And so many methods of goal setting and manifesting and all of that try and lump us all into one system and one way of doing things, but that's not how it works. Now, you and I visually can't tell, oh, which one of us is more like a blueberry than a strawberry, than a plum, than a peach. That's one of the things I'm going to help you figure out. Because when you know what natural wisdom from the natural world you can use to guide you, you are going to take off in terms of the ability you have to use that wisdom and make it work for you in an amazing way. I'm doing a free workshop, Your Gifts, Your Seeds. I can't wait to see you there. It's going to be amazing. Get on my email list so you can find out how to know what your gifts are, how to work with that natural wisdom, and how to manifest in the most beautiful way.